In this video, we build an AWS cloud foundation for a small company. In minutes, not weeks. We follow CIS Benchmarks for AWS. A set of security best practices, the recommended baseline. Watch. This is Merlin Studio, a free tool. It builds cloud foundations for AWS and GCP. No account needed. I enter as guest. I prepared a task earlier. It is called AWS Simple Case, a small company, no special regulation. I open the task and run it. Discovery first. Merlin asks about the company to build a foundation that fits it. 5 steps: company size, industry, timeline. Step 2. AWS maturity. Do you already use AWS organizations? Which identity provider? We start from a clean account. Step 3. Regions and data sovereignty. Primary region, disaster recovery, where the data must stay. Step 4. Compliance and workloads. No special regulation, so CIS benchmarks only. Then workload types and audit log retention. Discovery is done. The summary lists the configuration sections. The profile is simple. I continue in Express mode. Every parameter is preset from my answers and from CIS. Express walks the sections. Logging and monitoring. Central log bucket. CloudTrail. Retention. I only review. Last sections. Application services. Resource management. All defaults. Configuration is done. Compliance posture shows CIS AWS Foundations, 10 of 10. Below, the final specification. Everything Merlin builds from. Output format. Merlin can produce Terraform tfvars, Landing Zone Accelerator YAML, or CDK. Only the selected format is generated. I picked Terraform tfvars. The artifacts. Terraform tfvars files, documentation, a diagram, scorecards. The documentation includes a deployment guide and a compliance upgrades file. What to add later when requirements grow. Scorecards. Security Hub with 2 standards. Organization level CloudTrail. Each check has an explanation. The same task can produce Landing Zone Accelerator configuration instead. LZA Global Config YAML. If you run Control Tower and LZA, this fits that path. That is the AWS Foundation. Download all, takes everything as one archive. You start from a working foundation, not an empty account.